Sure, I got another AliExpress package. You can already see the item. I can barely open that up, it's too small. Because of the, I was like, these are fake AirPods, I'm gonna destroy them. Let's take a closer look at them. Came in late today. So here's a cheap ass cord. Very small housing, smaller than I thought would be. These are not legit AirPods. These are fake. I want to still test them to see how bad they sound or hear them. Oh my god, it's a really bad Replica Bootleg wireless earphones. That's cheap. It looks so bad. I don't want them. They're cheap as shit. It's the instructions manual, but it's all fucking tiny. Probably made for an ant or something. I don't care if I destroy it or not. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.